central Crawford County, south central St. Clair County, northern Washington County, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 19 miles southwest of Steelville, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include golf ball-sized hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Sullivan, St. Clair, Cuba, Steelville, Bourbon, Anthony's Mill, Parkway, Leesburg, Miramigola Park, Richwoods, St. Cloud, Piney Park, and Cook Station. This includes the following state parks: Onondaga Cave State Park and Merrimack State Park. This includes Interstate 44 in Missouri near exit 218. Anyone outdoors should move to shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. This storm is capable of producing widespread damaging winds and dangerous hail. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter immediately in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for a portion of east central Missouri.